Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. Now before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, right over here. So using the tool, you want to insert it into this cutout right here, specifically on the corner. This is a microphone, but don't worry, nothing happens if you poke it. Anyway, from here, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out fully. On the tray you have space for either two SIM cards, so you place one on either side, or one SIM card and one SD card. So I'm gonna start off with the SD card. There we go. Make sure that when you're placing the cards, they are clipped in place all the way. They should not be falling out of the tray if you flip it over, and they should also be flush on the tray, as you can see. From there, pop it back into your device, and the cards should start working right away, as it's already telling me to put in my SIM card pin. I'm going to do that to unlock it, and there we go. It just popped up with a notification about the SD card. So both of the cards are working without any additional steps needed, obviously. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.